What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. This video, I'll be showing you how to do knotless braids on yourself. Here is some of the tools and products I'm using to get started. I'll have them listed on the screen or down in the description box. The braiding hair I'm using is by a Freezem 3x pre-stretched silky braiding hair, and it's in the color 1. To be more efficient with my time, I like to use my braiding rack to piece out the braiding hair I'll be feeding into each braid. I'm doing jumbo knotless braids, and I ended up feeding in about 5 to 6 pieces of braiding hair per braid. Alright, so I'm starting off on hair that is freshly washed, deep conditioned, and I also blow dried it straight with my paddle brush. I have this mirror here in front of me and also a mirror behind me, which is going to help me see the back of my head. So I'm going to start by parting my first row from ear to ear. So like usual, after I do my first rough draft part, I'll apply some braid gel onto the part and then go back in with my tail comb to clean it up so that the part can look a little bit more crisp. Okay, so I split this row into 3 equal sections, and I'm going to get started on my first braid. So I'm going to use my braid gel to smooth out the section. I like to use my metal rat tail comb along with my edge brush to create the smoothness at the base. Now I'm going to split this section into 3 to start the legs of the braids, and I start braiding down twice before I add in my first piece. My grip is firm, but it's also not too tight to where it's uncomfortable. So now I'm going to add in my first piece of braiding hair, and you can see that I'm adding it into the middle and the right strand of this braid. So I'm going to continue braiding down, and I want to say my first 3 strands of braiding hair that I added in are just to build up how thick I want the braid to be, and the last few strands are for length. So I'm going to continue these steps on all 3 sections of this row. So I braid all the way down to the bottom, and here's what this braid looks like. And I also finished the other 2 braids within this row. So now I'm on to the next row, and this row is going to have 6 braids in total. And I'm also using the brick layer method when I'm pre-parting my sections. A few tips that help me achieve a nice clean braid is I like to use my product as I'm working my way down the braid just to make sure my natural hair stays smooth. I'm also making sure to tuck my natural hair inside of the braiding hair so that it looks a little bit more cleaner and seamless. And I also use my comb to detangle just to smooth out my natural hair. So I've already completed my third row, which has 6 braids instead of the 7 shown in the guide. So now I'm at the top, and this top row on each side will have 3 braids. So now I'm all done braiding, and now I'm going to do my finishing touches. So I did my ends using some perm rods to give the ends a nice curl. And I also used my shears to clean up some of the ends that were a little bit straggly. So now this is the part that most of us look forward to. I'm using my Lotta Body Foam mousse to help lay down some of the flyaways. This also adds some moisture and really nice sheen. And to lock in the moisture, I'm applying just a little bit of a jojoba oil to my scalp and throughout the braid, mainly where my hair is. And that is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video of how to do knotless braids on yourself. If it was helpful, please like, comment, subscribe to my channel. Hit the post notification so you're notified the next time I upload a video. And I will see you in my next video. Peace out, guys.